Chapter 3: The Earth and its Living World. Earth is the only planet where life is found because it has water, air, and the right temperature. All living things, like tiny germs, plants, animals, and people, live in a special layer called the biosphere. This layer touches the land, water, and air around the Earth. Today, we're going to take a journey, not by train or bus, but a journey around our amazing Earth. Let's explore the land, the water, the air, and all the living things. The name of today's chapter is The Earth and its Living World. Are you ready? The Earth is made of three main parts. Students, our Earth has three big layers or spheres. Let's see what they are. Lithosphere, the hard outer layer of the Earth, made of rocks and soil. It includes plains, hills, valleys, plateaus, deserts, and even the bottom of oceans. There are 7 big land parts called continents: Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia. Asia is the largest and Australia is the smallest. Surface water, all the water on Earth: oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, ponds, glaciers, and groundwater. 2/3 of Earth's surface is water, only 1/3 is land. Oceans. There are 5: Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic, and Southern. River water is fresh. Ocean water is salty. Atmosphere. The blanket of air that surrounds the Earth. It has gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and water vapor. It keeps us safe from the sun's dangerous rays using the ozone layer. The lowest part of the atmosphere is the troposphere, where clouds, rain, and wind happen. How does it rain? Let me ask you a question. Where does rain come from? Water from rivers, seas, lakes evaporates due to the sun's heat. The water vapor goes up and becomes clouds through a process called condensation. When clouds become heavy, they drop rain. This is called precipitation. This water flows back into rivers and oceans. This cycle repeats, is called the water cycle. So, thanks to the water cycle, we get clean water and rain all the time. The biosphere. Now, here comes a new word, biosphere. Can you guess what it means? Biosphere means the part of Earth where all living things live. Plants, animals, birds, insects, and even tiny organisms all are part of the biosphere. They live on land, lithosphere, in water, hydrosphere, and in the air, atmosphere. Different regions, different life. Have you noticed that some animals are only found in certain places? Let me give you some examples. Polar bear lives in snow-covered polar regions. Zebra lives in the hot grasslands of Africa. Kangaroo found only in Australia. Elephants and lions found in hot regions like India and Africa. And it's not just animals, even plants grow differently. Some grow in hot deserts, some in cold mountains, and some only underwater. Living and non-living things work together. Living things like plants and animals need non-living things like air, water, sunlight, and soil. Let's see how they help each other. Plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make food. Animals eat plants or other animals to get energy. When plants or animals die, microorganisms break them down and return nutrients to the soil. This makes the soil rich and ready for new plants. This is called interdependence. Everyone helps and needs each other. What we have learned? The Earth is made up of 3 main parts: lithosphere, land; hydrosphere, water; atmosphere, air. The water cycle includes evaporation, condensation, rain, flow back to rivers, repeat. Living things live in the biosphere, which spreads across land, water, and air. Different animals live in different parts of the world because of climate and geography. Living things and non-living things depend on each other.